Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss how to install the Splunk on Windows. So in next video you will see how to install the Splunk on Linux, but today we are just going to discuss how to install the Splunk on Windows machine. So in my previous video you guys has noticed that I have downloaded the Splunk, how I created the video on how to download this Splunk. Today we are going to see how to install this Splunk on Windows. So let's start. Since you guys can see that this package is already there, if you wanted to check the size of this package, so you can just click on the properties and you can see what the size of this is around 660 MB of this size, while Linux maybe it's bigger than that, but Windows is almost 660 MB of size of this package. So I will just double click. So before going to double click, I will just this is my own PC, so all mostly prerequisite are should be fine. The only thing that you should take care while you are doing on the enterprise server, so there's some ports that should be open, like one of the most important port should be 8000, which is confirm that all your installation is done and you are able to access the UI of your Splunk. So just make sure. But in PC, you can, it should be fine because all the ports and everything should already had been, already been enabled, and there should not be any blocker. So since we already downloaded the Splunk forwarder package for Windows, so let's start it. So it will ask for the checkbox for accept your license. You can go customization if you wanted to install it somewhere else in your drive, but by default it will be installed into C drive itself. So it will ask for the username and password credential for admin. So you can put, I am putting my, click on next, and then it will ask to create the startup menu shortcut. So this is very useful. So you'll get a icon of Splunk in your startup menu, and from there you can click and you can open the Splunk instance. So let's click on install and see. Now it's going to be install Splunk in Windows, and it will take few minutes, maybe 4 to 5 minutes, approximately maybe 10 minutes. So it will, let's see, it's validating the installation. So it will verify whether we have the space, requirement space for Splunk to be installed and all the prerequisite. I'm just pausing the screen for a bit, so then we'll continue once it will ask for the option. It will take some time. Okay, there are some issue in my network or my laptop, but if you go and search here, so you will find the Splunk Enterprise icon and you can access it from directly here. If your successfully installation is done, so you should be see the next, you'll see the login and password, but somehow it's not working. Let me try in different browser because it's not able to access it here. Let's try in Chrome. I think I'll just copy this URL and see if that works. We see that this is I think the issue with the browser, so I'll just open and to Chrome and it's working fine. Okay, if you wanted to know the version of your Splunk, you can go to the help, you can go click on about, and from there you can see the version 9.3.1. So your installation is completed, and I this is how you can install in Windows Server the Splunk Enterprise.